This is Infinity Nissan Pathfinder, but this one carry a Xterra engine and it carry a distributor. What happened to this car is that the car don't used to start because the distributor is not distributing light. This is the distributor, and the distributor is not distributing light because when you try to start it, this just wave around. It used to wave around so that the current cannot stay. And if you check it now, you will see that it's shaking, it's jerking and shaking. That the bearing inside have break, so it's not working. Like this coil now, you see that there is discharge of current here. Current to this place now. You see that current used to discharge here. You see that is what made this distributor that is not good. So that is the problem with distributor. Okay, welcome to my page. So subscribe to my page and follow my page, Seacom.